So today, oh yeah,
Welcome to a better life PH,
there we go. So yes, today we are preparing our land. Oh yeah, of course, mandatory show off with boots. Yes, we found a guy in Sanuda who has, amongst other things, a backhoe and a bulldozer. So they're gonna prepare the road all the way here and I don't know, 80 meters up, maybe something like that. And we plan the road to be a little bit, I don't know, snaky, is that the word? Snirklig. Curvy. So, because someone would freak out if you had to drive straight down.
Yeah.
And I don't want to drive straight up. Like, it's better here, but I just have memories from Sweden when trying to drive up an icy road and you have to go second gear full speed and hope you make it up. So we found the way, I think, with the least amount of slope all the way up.
Yeah.
And we'll see, and then they'll flatten on top. Oh, that's not good.
That's scary.
Yeah, I hope it's okay. Alright, well.
I think it's covered in the banana. We can.
Yeah,
More.
well, he seems
Seems chill.
yeah. Alright, well, good to have tracks, I guess. So, where was I? Oh, yeah, we'll.
He's smiling, so.
So,
He's smiling.
you got an adrenaline kick. So, on top, it's we need to remove quite a bit of dirt to flatten it out. I don't want stilts and different levels and everything. And then this rock, in case we decide to get a parking lot down here, I want that rock moved, so it's just gonna be moved somewhere here on the side. I still want to keep the rock, just not right smack in the middle. So yeah, they arrived at dawn apparently. We said 8 and we're
I think that we can show up here at 8 or they can start the backhoe work, but they hold the truck or they hold the...
Hello!
Oy! Asa man mo?
Meeting purpose.
May fine. Nay mayo.
Sorry. Those neighbors.
Atik lang.
Kami na kayo naman sila.
They're gonna have meeting.
Okay. Yes.
I thought she's dating or relative to dating. The Anis. I got that on my blog. Sir?
We have some child labor here. No one report us.
He's willing.
Yeah. Yeah. So yeah. No, but they
Sayo pa day mo sir naghapon.
probably been working, I don't know, maybe an hour or half an hour or something before we showed up. Did you pay?
Not yet.
Yeah.
We can pause then we can update.
Yes. Oh yeah. So the neighbor, the guy, I'm assuming we're gonna see more of. It's Loloy. It's the guy that did a lot of the clearing and burning on this place.
Yeah.
Nice guy. He's gonna be helping us out when we need the manual labor. I'm too overheating to do it, or too lazy, or too weak. Yeah. It's actually nice air right now. It's quite cold, but the sun is strong. Yeah.
So it looks good.
Yes, we should be able to grow things on this. And then make a trench or a pipe here because apparently the water comes up here and down here in a way.
The trail.
It's dug quite a deep ditch over there, so there will be plenty of water one day when we have water. Then we'll have a well over there, most likely. It's supposed to be a natural spring kind of deal going on there. So yeah, we'll definitely need a pump to make it all the way up, but yeah, we'll see, one step at a time. We're making progress.
You can stay at the banana side so we have...
Yeah.
we have better look here.
And for those wondering, making the entire road all the way up, we'll see how big. I think it, all in all, it's gonna be like 80 meters times 3 in width. Or 240 footsies or something for the Americans. And that's about, we said 100K?
Yeah.
100K, so that is $2,000 give or take, or 20,000 Swedish give or take. Compared, I mean, the amount of work, the machinery needed, compared to what it would cost in Sweden.
Gasoline.
Yeah. I mean, 20,000 Swedish, we would barely make it 1 meter here, probably. So yeah, I can't complain about the price. Hopefully they do a good job. And yeah, we'll see. And then Jojo, Jojo, I thought you, Jojo, sorry, the backhoe guy, the owner, he also has a quarry because, yes. So he, we might get, we haven't decided yet, but we probably need limestone, gravel, something, because dirt is not gonna be safe to drive on. Asphalt's not gonna happen, and cement will be expensive too. So yeah. Anyway, we will pause for a bit and update as we get higher and things happen.
So get high.
Bye bye.
Yeah, we got water from the neighbor. We got some pineapples, fresh one, and a chicken for today's video. For today's lunch. Sorry, chicken. Yeah, hope he's okay with it. But yeah, our land is just somewhere there in that mountain. So yeah, it's not gonna be a long ride. It's gonna be a quick one.
It's a morbid name, lunch.
Well,
Hope it doesn't poop.
no, I don't think so. Hi, doggy. Puppy. Yeah, it's good. We don't have to go far.
Yeah. Is that Nathan one?
Yeah. This is like 250 or 230 per kilo, and the white one, the big ones, are like 540 per kilo. So okay, we go to the cheaper one then.
So the native is cheaper.
Yeah, I think it's smaller, but yeah, I don't know
But per kilo.
what's the rule.
Because
Yeah, per kilo.
they taste better.
Yeah. Yeah, we need to clean our windshield. We call it windshield.
Yes. Well, considering how many times we're driving down this road,
Yeah.
there's no real point.
Yeah, it's not just us that has a dirty car, and if you have a dirty car, it means you're moving.
It's dusty here, yeah.
Yeah, it's dusty here. So our property starts from this tree up all the way. Yeah, can't really see much, but yeah, it's a lot of work. But we choose the mountain life, so we're gonna adapt to the mountain style. Yeah, we're gonna bring the chicken. We have knife here. I brought knife.
I think they might have.
Should we bring the water bottle there?
Can I ask them how they hit now?
I hit my elbow.
Oh.
Anyway, yeah.
Don't
So
poop on me.
we have our tradition. we have our lunch offering or chicken. I think we'll get the biggest pineapple. Or yeah, we'll just bring this up there.
Yeah. I have a chicken, so I can't close the car.
You can like hug it like Miko on your side.
You're gonna put. Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And then close the door, please. My hands are loaded. It's good that we have some shade now. It's not too hot.
Yeah, no, it's very nice weather.
Yeah. Hi.
Sorry. Yeah. Dogs are not gonna kill it.
No. And we have our neighbor doggy there. Just inspecting the area. Oh yeah, they're way up now.
So what do we do with the bird? Bring it with us all
Yeah,
the way up? Or?
yeah.
Alright.
Yeah, you climb first.
Mm-hmm.
Hi, chicken.
Hi.
Yeah.
Big silent doggy. Hi. Sorry.
Yeah, good soil. It's gonna be good for gardening. Hi, doggy.
Skip the morbid part or
Yeah.
okay.
The chicken will serve its purpose for today. It's raised to serve as chicken.
Good fine.
Yeah. Huh?
I'm talking to the chicken.
And our view here. Nice. We have a companion. I think we switch. My hands are. I think we switch.
Oh, you want?
So, hold the chicken now. Pretty fur. Quite dark.
Nice view.
Yeah. Hi there. Yeah, nice breeze. It's good weather today. It's not too hot.
Did you bring an umbrella?
No.
Okay. Oh yeah, we will get
Can
water.
stop here. I can get the umbrella later.
Yeah.
We don't have shade there, so maybe by the sagging.
Yeah. Oh, that's Lola's kid.
Seems so, yeah.
We give him a couple of boots.
Yeah.
Way too big for him, but can grow. So
Yeah, they climb fast.
yeah. Well, it was really, I think my plan was good. It's
Yeah.
not very steep, easy to dig, just go straight up.
Yeah, it's good. It's not too scary.
Yeah.
I think we'll pause.
Yeah.
You have your opinions? Can you click on the...
Not really. Yeah. Sorry, lunch.
Hi, so pretty. Yeah. Dili, i-flat na nadadapit sa may bayabas.
Gini street na ni.
Oo, kuan naman na dira, di ba? Human diri liko nya. Na naman na ilikuan ng dara. Ang ipawaydan ng dadara sa babaw.
They will or leave?
Yeah, tubig na may tubig.
Huh?
You can give them the tubig and the pan.
The tubig is mine.
No, there's tubig in the...
Oh, there's one here?
Yeah. Ha?
They have...
Asa man dito na lang or dira we can leave it there in the shade.
Okay.
It's gonna be hot here.
Yeah.
Ay, dong asan yung papa? Yeah, still surveying area how to
Because he knows
do it.
how we want the road.
Yeah,
On
just
the side?
curve on there and then
Not up there, no. Here.
yeah. It's already flattish here.
I don't want a road up there. I want the
Yeah,
road
no
to
road
stop
up
here.
there. I think he's just
And clearing this for the house.
yeah.
Alright.
We can leave that by it's closer. Don't have to go all the way there.
Yeah.
Ako ang bago ko. Saan ba sa amo?
Mm.
Una na ang ambak.
He thought of jumping off because the transmission got stuck. That's why he wasn't able to do a break.
Oh.
Yeah, do the chicken offering around the corners or around the property.
Sorry, lunch.
Sorry, lunch. Still alive.
I think not.
Ish.
I think that person or something.
But yeah, so the house is facing there, right? It's not facing here.
The house, so pink, pink.
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 So it looks like it's facing here.
I mean, yeah, I mean, kinda.
But we can.
But we will have a sitting area here.
The power of Backhoe. They're just uprooting every banana here because this area here has been overgrown. It needs to be removed. Yeah, we have two guys working on the land. Yeah, with the background. It's nice. Napadaplin ka. Na maapilan kag kuan dira ah. Wa man kay chinilas. Pag chinilas ko. Anak po kang loloy. Anak po kang loloy og anis. Kamo daw ha igsoon mo. Wa mo ikalo. Init kayo.
So welcome back. We are now on top of the mountain. They have I don't know what time it is, but an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours, I'm not sure. Made it all the way up here, flattened it. You're smacking me in the head.
Oh, sorry.
Yes, thank you. And right now they're digging down to where we're planning to have the house. So just flattening the area. We were a little bit unsure if it's going to be bedrock, but I think that's a Swedish thing. I'm used to having bedrock. But here it's solid soil. Looks pretty nice. I'm not sure. It looks dead on the camera, but in real life the color is much nicer. So the guys are working hard, and we have a cool breeze. I haven't completely.
It's good. It's cloudy.
Yeah, I haven't completely overheated, but it was like half an hour ago. Straight sun. I'm not made for that, so it's we're gonna have to have shade and stuff. But yeah, we can see the banana leaves are flapping in the wind, so that's very nice. And of course, the dog found a piece of shade there, enjoying the new road. The kids left. They were having fun climbing trees and stuff.
Yeah, they're by the highway now.
Ah.
I saw them walking.
Yeah, so one with the broken rubber boots and one without
Sir?
any shoes.
Oh. Kuya Mario said it's like an overview.
Yes.
He approves. He
Good,
likes
good.
the terrain. He likes the
Yes.
view.
Yes, that's
We
right.
have some help, Kuya Mario and the younger dad, I don't know his name, but yeah. Good to have a friendly neighborhood.
Yes, yes. They do quick. I mean, we asked them, or we talked to Jojo yesterday,
Yeah.
and just moved. So he has rice fields, kilometer, something. Oh, maybe 2 or 3, whatever. Around the corner, he has the rice fields, and these were working there. They were either working on the rice fields or on the pineapple fields when Del Monte.
Yeah, Del Monte.
When they need after harvesting, I guess, need tilling or something, they have the backhoes come in and clear the area.
Yeah, they're available. So I said, yeah, let's just get it done.
Yeah.
So that's good.
Yeah. Easy work for them, affordable for us,
Yeah.
and everyone gets what they want. We're all happy.
Yeah, everyone happy. Win-win situation.
Yeah. But yes, it's gone fast. I'll take a little bit of credit since I planned her out.
Yes, you did great. Yeah, because the easy one is just the straight,
Yep.
the trail where they do logging here.
So
before.
for the non-Filipinos watching, Filipinos don't really care about how the road looks, what angle it is. They're fine driving it, like 45-degree angle. That's fine, no problem. Me, I'm just expecting to start going backwards. I want as little slope as possible on the road. So I think we found the path of least resistance, really. But yeah, that's a good thing. If you're moving to Bukidnon or Backhoe for that matter, get four-wheel drive. Don't even consider anything else. Get four-wheel drive. Even if it's a nice road, it's good to, like ours, we can switch between 2 and 4. I'm glad we have it just in case. And in Backhoe, I wouldn't even dream of it. Their roads are insane. But anyway, Filipinos are better drivers than we are when it comes to narrow and steep, in my experience. When it comes to flat roads, they're absolutely batshit insane. There are no rules. Yeah, but it's different. It's a very, very different situation here. Yeah, nice.
Yeah.
Add some, huh?
Yeah, it's busy.
Ah.
A lot of talking time, but he's supervising.
He's supervising, yeah. Yes, yeah. Yeah, it's going fast. This should.
There's one bug that keeps going.
Yes, I know. It's a very annoying little thing. It thinks I'm a carabao because I'm sweating and smelling.
Yeah. Mapil pa ba ng bayabas, ya? Kuya, mapil pa ng bayabas, no? Hindi na. Paano na, paana?
You're trying to keep the guava?
No, they said no, they're not gonna touch the guava.
Yeah, alright. So then we'll see. We're gonna have to go down to Davao. Here's the fly again. But when we get back, we'll see how much it will be to put gravel. I couldn't even begin to guess how much is needed, but apparently one truck full from the quarry is like 7k pesos. So it's like 1200 is 6k. So yeah, 1700 Swedish. Yeah, seems about right. So 170 bucks per truckload, but I have no idea how many truckloads are going to be needed. but the way the soil is, I mean, I'm not gonna be able to drive up it. I'll start sliding backwards or sink into it, and if it gets wet, it's gonna be muddy. So we're gonna have to do something. So yeah, gonna be gravel, I think, at least starting off. Maybe gravel, and then have like two. I'm not sure how to describe it. Like two lines of concrete slabs or something going up, so you can put the wheels on them. It's quite common here. Depends. We'll see what we can afford.
Road on a budget.
Road on a budget, yeah. Yes.
Yeah, okay ra yan, no? Kay namin mga batuhon man siya.
That tree will go so we can... I don't know if I can see the view here. I try to see the view every chance we get.
It's just we need
Yeah, we'll clear. We'll clear more. We'll have a lolly slowly do it. Yeah, so we have a big nice tree there.
Yeah.
It's a very good view from down there, but we wanted a bit further away from the street. So we can have like coffee place or something when we don't want to go all the way up here.
Yeah.
Or if we have people by.
The dog is still in the shade.
Oh yeah, the dog found this spot.
Don't know if we can see it in the camera.
Don't dig! He's wrecking everything now.
Maybe he's gonna poop. It's a good dog though. He covers his poop.
No, he's just lying down. It's
yeah,
not. It's not a cat. Dogs
the
should
soil
poop
is
everywhere.
cold-ish.
Yeah, it should be colder at least. Yeah. Yeah, I wonder if those little tiny puppies are gonna come by. We had company the other day. I don't even remember if we filmed it, but yeah. Anyway, this is just still view of me standing here. Sorry.
Yeah, we'll update later.
Yes.
How it ends up. We'll just keep it short so
The
we
end
have
result.
space on the phone.
Yeah, I don't think this was. Oh, this is 8 minutes. All right, we'll pause for now. We're chasing the Filipino eagles here. They're soaring around our land. There's 2 of them behind the trees.
Zoom.
Yeah, and they left. Yeah, let's see. We have
So we're still here. We've been busy.
sun's going
And
down.
they installed culvert pipes, but
We need 2 more.
we need 2 more. And
It's moving one of the rocks.
moving one of the rocks. We can put the rock. And anyway, yeah, we have the entryway here. And should we film over there while they're doing it? Yeah.
Yeah, it can go up.
We'll have walkthrough.
Yeah.
Yeah, they got the job done. We just
Yeah.
tried our luck yesterday if we can find a backhoe, and we got them
So
doing the work
What's left?
the
We
day
need
next.
2 more culverts
Yeah, 2 more culverts.
and finding some way to make the road easily drivable.
Yeah,
Cement or-
we'll remind Loloy to get a hold of the pison, the roller.
Oh yeah. East.
Is the That's loud.
Yeah.
This is gonna be our septic tank. Yeah, a new approach, and gonna see how they flattened where we're gonna build our house. We'll see. Oh, you're so tiny. It's dark. How is it? Looks good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. There was big rock here, but they managed to cover. But yeah, it's good though. I'm not.
It doesn't look like it's gonna.
Yeah. Yeah, that's good. Rock wall.